What is UV method of integration or integrating by parts? So product rule of differentiation dUV is equal to UdV plus VdU. So UdV is equal to dUV minus VdU. If we put integral sign in the both sides of the equation, integral of UdV is equal to integral dUV minus integral VdU. So integral of UdV is equal to UV minus VdU. So this is the formula for UV method of integration or integrating by parts. In the next video, I am going to evaluate the integral of ln x dx using integrating by parts or UV method of integration.